Okay, Galena, here's some more. Here's where I get office supplies. I don't know. All sorts of stuff. On a bus. Oh, look, McDonald's and Walmart over there. Look. Oh, that's good shopping. See Walmart? Very good shopping there. Oh, this is my bank. That's my bank there. That's where all the money is. And the river over here. The river, nature. Condominiums.